that. They get really excited. They fly down, eat all those bugs, not realizing that they've just been sprayed with poison and an easy meal. We also keep the grass on our roadways trimmed nice and short so that they can hunt easily without having to dive through grasses. And unfortunately, that's one of the main injuries we see in Asia and North Africa, is where you find these guys in the wild. And she is very, very cleverly demonstrating the range of motion that an owl has in their neck. Owls can actually turn their heads 270 degrees in either direction, which is about 3/4 of a circle. Did anybody hear flapping? I didn't hear anything. Good job, Boo Boo. Oh, and Boo is demonstrating one of the reasons that we call her our ADD bird. She gets a little bit distracted by things and wants to go check them out. She actually forgets that she's attached to a handler, and she'll just keep flying and flying and flying until you call her name and whistle at her and get her to pay attention to the fact that you're still there. Like I said, she's very distractible. She's also learned that if she's stubborn long enough,
she will never fly. So why, oh why?
I'm glad my dad didn't see this.
We have the opportunity to have these magnificent birds at our clinic. On your left, you will see a bald eagle. This bald eagle's name is Wanagi, and on our right, golden eagle. You've had the opportunity to also see their amazing...
Alaska.